Hey guys, Matt Philly here. Yes, I'm in the studio. Yes, there are monitors behind me, but they haven't been touched yet. They still have stickers on them, so stay tuned for that episode. We also gotta get the TV up, the PC, all that fun stuff. We hit a roadblock, but things are finally moving forward, so stay tuned. Month of August is gonna be insane as far as those episodes go. But for now, I'm here to talk about the LIFX Beam. This, if you're not familiar, is a pretty cool new product from LIFX. Came out not too long ago, so it's still pretty fresh. Basically, they're just these sticks that connect together and they beam out light. You know what I'm saying? You can see on the product box. I don't know how it looks on camera, but basically you can do like a big L, you know, if you want to give your friend an L. You can just kind of connect them together, and there's quarter pieces, so you do whatever you got to do. I don't know what you want to do, but you can do it. It works with all the different things. You want to tell Alexa or Siri or one of those dumbasses to help you out, she'll do it. Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa. So yeah, it works with all that stuff, and it should, because the damn thing costs $200. And trust me, a lot of these products nowadays, they are super expensive. You want to get a kit of Nanoleaf panels? Well, get ready to sell your left testicle, because that's what it's going to cost to make that happen. Now, I am actually personally excited. When I received this, this has been sitting in my room. I feel so stupid for not using it, but I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it in my actual bedroom setup or in my shed. And I know, first world problem. We're gonna get it up today, and people can finally hop off. So let's do the thing where you open it and you talk about what's inside. Oh. So there you go. That's like a look at how it beams and stuff. So here you go. This is a beam. This is literally super lightweight. I don't know how they accomplished that. It's crazy seeing the size of it, and like obviously you get 6 in a package, but at $200 per 6, if you want to actually like spell something out or make some sort of specific shape or even just fill up a decent sized room, whoo, you're gonna need to take out a loan. Damn. So along with your $200 purchase, you get the biggest installation guide manual you could ever imagine. No, I'm messing around. But honestly, I mean, you couldn't spend the extra 99 cents per pamphlet to make it a little bit bigger. I mean, you could have fit all this on one page. I feel like a beauty guru. Like, here is the power plug. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. I love it. And then here is the pluggity plug. So it's kind of like, reminds me of MagSafe. I don't even know. It looks like it's overexposed, but you get the idea. And then this also has command strips on it, so you could actually put this on, and then this is what goes into the, you know. Now, one thing I want to complain about with this right off the bat, it's not the color. Although, yes, I think giving 2 options, I don't know how expensive these are to make, but if there was a black variant and a white variant, I think you kind of cover all bases. But really, what I was gonna complain about is just, why can't you give us a flat cable? You know, just, it could be a little bit wider, of course, but just flat would be so much easier for mounting on a wall and just making the cable kind of disappear, because people tend to forget that, okay, cool, you can use the beam wherever you want, but you're gonna have to run power to it. And first off, is this gonna be long enough? Second off, how are you gonna hide the damn cable? Third off, I don't know. I just wanted to say third off. And then here's this piece, just do this. Ha-ha! Here we go. And then this into this. What's up, fam? Gotta unwrap every single one. Jeez, get off. One thing I really like about LIFX, yeah, keep the plane going. Anyway, so one thing I really like about LIFX is they use this really cool technology called magnets. You may not be familiar, but you will be after this. Basically, instead of like trying to plug it in and like a one-way kind of thing, they just connect. I mean, come on. 2018. Got it. Jesus. Okay, so this is actually interesting. You have a max of 8 beams plus 2 corners that could go on one piece. So, I mean, okay. It would have been cool if you could do like 30 and just have like a never-ending maze. This doesn't actually tell you anything other than, hey, don't use this, use the internet. It's 2018. I'm gonna stop this clip for now. Holy smokes, look at that. That's super cool. Man, that was quite the process. Also, you know how I was making fun of this little booklet? Yeah, don't get rid of it. Make sure you check, because on the back, there's the HomeKit code, and that's how you'd actually hook it up. So yeah, you definitely need this, even though, yes, it's extremely small. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Do you use a VPN? If not, you really should. With NordVPN, you can encrypt your online activity to protect your private data from hackers or snoopy advertisers. Enjoy global connectivity along with high performance speed and secure access to streaming websites, censored content, and social networks. But what makes NordVPN so great? Well, let me tell you. There are 4,000 plus servers in 62 countries. No data logging, unlimited bandwidth, military-grade encryption. They allow up to 6 simultaneous connections. It's compatible with most operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android. And most importantly, it's risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So, yeah, what are you waiting for? Honestly, start protecting yourself on the web by clicking the link in the description or by using code swashin to save 77% off the 3-year plan. Things like this are hard to show on camera, but I adjusted the settings a little bit. It's still not at full brightness, but I can tell you in person, it's extremely bright. Also, don't mind the half-ass frosted glass. We're going to be removing that. One thing I have to say about the app is the themes don't seem to really work. Like right now I'm selected on peaceful, which looks to be blues and yellows, but I'm seeing the whole damn rainbow, so I don't think that's working. But let's see, energizing, okay. I don't know about that one. And then let's see, we got relaxing. Okay, that one's cool. We got sports. Not sure how that's sports, but all right. Soothing, interesting. Tranquil. Yeah, see, like that's not right, because on the image I'm seeing just sand, but this looks more like the rainbow. This is dream. I like that one. Powerful. Okay. Exciting, which is the rainbow, but that one makes a little more sense. Warming. Focusing, blissful, and cheerful. You might be thinking, Matt, I don't want to see every single theme, but don't worry, that's literally it. So as you can see, most of them don't actually work. Of course, instead of doing that, you could just use a color wheel and choose whatever color your heart desires, and also do the brightness. Okay, so I selected the dream theme, and basically from here I'm going to test out the 9 different effects that you have available. The first effect is move. As you can see, it's currently set at 7-second speed. I can make it go faster, like so, or I can really draw it out, and I don't know why you would do this, because you really kind of see the color breakup. Doesn't really make too much sense. Or you can have a seizure, it's up to you. Now, you also have the option to change the direction. If for some reason you felt the need to do that, you can do that. The other option is candle flicker, which I don't know if you can even tell what it's doing, but it's flickering like a candle. That should give you a better idea of what's happening. That's with the amount at 100. You can also flicker with white color, like so. Next one is color cycle, which, as you would imagine, cycles through colors. All right, I'm bored of that one. Next up is the music visualizer. Yeah, baby, woo! All right, yeah, so basically this one uses the microphone on your phone to visualize the audio. Yay! Next up is spooky, and basically it flickers like you're in a scary movie. Oh no! Strobe, which, by the way, warning, strobing is limited for recommended safe levels. However, in rare cases, it's possible to trigger a seizure in some people, so do not use it if you suffer from photosensitive. This one's crazy because you hold it down, and this is a warning. If you have problems with that stuff, don't watch this, but here we go. Oh, damn! So this is the anime theme effect, which apparently animates the theme across your lights. The next one is random, which changes the color of lights randomly. So you can choose the speed, which I'll make it 1 second. I'll make the brightness 100, and I'll make the randomness 100. So, wow, that sure is random. And finally, the last one is pastels, which cycles through light pastel colors. So it's just like the random one, but it's pastel random. Being 100% honest, I think that most of these effects are pretty pointless. I think really most people will just end up using the move effect and call it a day from there. Also, by the way, you do have an option where you can actually turn them on, turn them off, do whatever you want based on time of the day of the week, so on and so forth. I just realized my hand was over here as I was filming, but that's just a cool option to have. By the way, this is what the effects look like, and then the create section, these are the themes, literally like no themes at all, and then the color thing. So yeah, woo! So with the app you can actually paint. So let's see if I was to do a Christmas one. Whoa! It really did it! At the end of the day though, it's up to you to decide if you want 6 of these. So just imagine one more, you know, because this is only 5 for $200. It's up to you. And if you already have LIFX lights in your studio, in your bedroom, in your home theater situation, then definitely it's worth it. I'm going to be clashing. I'm going to be going with Philips Hue, so I'll definitely be comparing them and letting you know. They also have the LIFX tile, which is just basically a square, and it's the same thing as this. So it's kind of like their own Nanoleaf. I would like to check that out, but I don't know if that's going to happen, especially after what I've said today. But I don't really think I've dissed them. I just think that, yeah, it's the first iteration, and the next one's going to be even better. Look at their lights. They've gone through different versions, and they're only getting better. So there you go. That's my thoughts on the LIFX Beam. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other lights that are going to be set up in here, and of course, the TV, the monitors, the PC, and the final touches on the studio. Thanks so much for watching this video. Did you know you could click the link in the description to give me $50,000 a month through Patreon? I'm just kidding, I don't have Patreon, but I do need money. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.